Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking. We have seen how to give a tadka to a simple yellow dal. Today, let's check out the more advanced version of it, a dal tadka. Coming up. Just by changing the technique of the tadka, let's try to give the same yellow dal a different flavor and taste. I'll be using a different combination of tadka with the dal this time. We will be giving the light tempering or Jivanta Fodni technique which we had used earlier in our koshambir or salad video for this dal tadka. This time, not only we will be using this vessel to give the tadka, but I will also show you an alternative technique to do the same tadka even if you don't have this vessel. So check out the video till the end. Now before we begin, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you do like my video and consider subscribing. Now you can get the entire details of this series and also different recipes on our website simplysimplecooking.net. So with that out of the way, let's check out the ingredients. For this, I have got 3 cups of cooked dal. You can check the link on top of your screen to see how you can cook dal in a pressure cooker. Then 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of the red chili powder, 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped tomato, freshly minced garlic. Well, you can check out the cutting and chopping video to see how you can mince a garlic. Some curry leaves, well, this is optional. 2 to 3 large dried red chilies and some coriander to garnish. As I had said before, the best vessel to perform a tadka is a round bottom one. This time I will make use of a kadai. So in the kadai, add oil and let it heat up. Keep it on medium heat. As the oil heats, add the cumin and mustard seeds and hear them sizzle. Now add the curry leaves and within couple of seconds, let's add the chopped onions and give it a stir. This will make sure that none of the ingredients burn. Now add the chopped tomatoes and let the onions and tomatoes cook. Once the onions and tomatoes are cooked enough, add the cooked dal. If required, you can add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Generally, turmeric powder is added in the dal when you cook it in a pressure cooker. So if you think you have enough yellow color to the dal, you can skip this step. Now add some water to maintain the required consistency and some salt to taste. Now let this boil. Once it starts to simmer, on another gas, let's keep the tadka vessel and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Keep the gas on low to medium heat. As the oil heats, add the minced garlic, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, break the full chilies in half and add it to the oil, and 1 teaspoon of the chili powder. Make sure all the ingredients sizzle like so. As they sizzle, within 3 to 5 seconds, pick it up and pour this hot oil in the dal which is cooking here. As promised earlier, there is another way of doing this, but without the tadka vessel. So let's go back to where the dal was simmering. As the dal simmers on another gas, let's take a round bottom vessel like this handi. Add oil and let it heat on medium heat. Once the oil heats up, add the minced garlic, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, and break the chilies in half and put it in the oil. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Let it sizzle for 3 to 5 seconds. Let's pour all the dal which is boiling here in this handi. Once done, switch off the gas and quickly cover the handi. Now do not disturb this. the dal and the hot flavored oil will mix well on its own. There it is. A super quick spicy dal is ready, even without the tadka vessel. In this kadai, we have the tadka using the tadka vessel, while in this handi, we have used the alternative technique. Here they are. Our dal tadka is ready. So wasn't it simple, guys? This type of tadka leaves a great chili flavored oil on top of the dal, which not only makes the dish attractive but also gives it a different taste. Next, we will see how to extract the best flavors of spices for a non-veg preparation. It's not called a tadka, but the idea remains the same. Infusing the best flavors of different spices in hot oil so that you get a really good taste and aroma. So this was it, guys, from me in this video. See you again in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends, and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.